A Love Where Dark Meets the Sunlight. Chapter 13. Princess Iris Thea sat lost in thought, her heart pounding in her chest. She couldn't understand what was wrong. Just then, a knock sounded on her door. "Princess, may I enter?" a voice asked. "Yes, Amelia," Iris replied. Her lady-in-waiting, Amelia, stepped inside, balancing a tray of colorful fruits. "Since you barely touched your breakfast," Amelia explained, "I asked the kitchen staff to prepare this for you. I thought it might help you regain your appetite." "Oh, thank you, Amelia," the princess said, her voice soft with gratitude. Amelia set the tray on a nearby table and gently helped the princess as she began to eat. Once the princess had finished, Amelia's curiosity got the better of her. "Princess," she began, her tone tentative, "if you'll allow me to ask a personal question, I know it might upset you, but can you promise to remain calm and tell me the truth?" Princess Iris Thea felt a mix of curiosity and worry. What question could Amelia possibly have that required so much caution? "Of course, Amelia, you have my permission to ask anything you wish," the princess said, trying to reassure her. Amelia took a deep breath, her respect for the princess evident in her posture. "With all due respect, my princess," she began, "I must ask, why did you say sorry and then rush back to your room earlier?" Princess Iris Thea was surprised by the question. Sensing her hesitation, Amelia quickly added, "Princess, if you don't want to answer my silly question, you don't have to. It was just my curiosity." Iris smiled. "I just never expected you to ask that. To be honest, I'm not even sure why I did something so foolish, Amelia." "Did something happen that made you run like that?" Amelia asked, her voice full of surprise. The princess's face flushed with the memory. "When Asmodeus told me he felt blessed to be my bodyguard, I got so flustered and embarrassed. I just couldn't stand there. That's one of the reasons, I suppose, but I honestly still don't know why I just ran off like that." A gentle smile spread across Amelia's face. "Princess, I believe what he said was a sincere compliment, and I think you deserve every bit of it." "Oh, stop," Princess Iris Thea sighed, her embarrassment returning. "You're going to make me blush again, Amelia." Before Amelia could respond, a knock echoed through the room. "Andrea here. May I enter?" a voice called out. The princess granted Andrea entry. "My princess, your friend, Lady Aurora, requests an audience with you," Andrea announced. Princess Iris Thea replied, "See to it that she is well attended. I shall visit with her in 10 minutes." Andrea curtsied and departed to inform Lady Aurora of the princess's intentions. After changing her dress with Amelia's help, Princess Iris Thea prepared to meet her friend. The moment she stepped into the hall, she saw Asmodeus smiling at her. A sudden shyness made her turn back into the room. Amelia looked on in confusion. With a determined look, the princess stepped back out. Asmodeus approached her. "Princess, where are we going now?" Iris Thea looked into his eyes, but she was unable to say a single word in reply. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.